Do your legs feel like they can't support you anymore? Do you struggle getting out of chairs, walking long distances, or even taking a few steps without feeling pain, weakness, or exhaustion? You're not alone. This is one of the most common complaints among people over 60. But here's the hopeful part. Your body is capable of healing and becoming stronger. Again, with the right natural support, simple exercises, and home remedies. In this video, we'll cover a step-by-step plan that includes a powerful homemade drink, exercises, diet tips, massage, circulation boosters, and more, all backed by science and practical experience. So let's begin your journey back to stronger, healthier legs. 1. Why do legs become weak as we age? Leg weakness isn't just aging. It happens because your muscle fibers shrink. Blood flow slows down, and nerve signals lose strength. Add to that a sedentary lifestyle, nutrient-poor diets, chronic inflammation, and certain medications. And suddenly, your once strong legs feel powerless. This is called sarcopenia, age-related. Muscle loss, and it begins as early as 40, but becomes more noticeable after 60. Inactivity accelerates it, and it leads to poor balance, frequent falls, joint pain, and difficulty walking. Good news, muscle loss can be reversed. It's not too late. Your muscles just need the right fuel and activation. 2. The remedy that's worked for thousands. Turmeric milk with black pepper. This simple home remedy combines 3 powerful ingredients. Turmeric, a natural anti-inflammatory with a compound called curcumin, known to relieve joint pain and stimulate blood circulation. Black pepper enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, making turmeric far more effective. Milk offers calcium, protein, and vitamin D, all crucial for strong bones and muscle recovery. Recipe: 1 cup warm milk. Can use almond or oat if lactose intolerant. 1–2 teaspoon turmeric powder. A pinch of black pepper. Stir well and drink 30 minutes before bed. This helps reduce leg inflammation, improve overnight muscle recovery, and support deeper, more healing sleep. 3. Daily exercise for leg strength. Even if you're weak, you don't need a gym. Just consistency. Try the chair sit-stand exercise. Sit on a sturdy chair, feet flat on the ground. Slowly stand up, using no hands. Then sit down slowly and repeat 10 times. This works your quads, glutes, calves, and core, restoring functional strength. You can hold on to something nearby if balance is an issue. Bonus tip: flex your toes upward while seated to strengthen the front of the lower legs and reduce fall risk. Earth. The 4 essential nutrients for stronger legs. If you don't give your body what it needs, no remedy will help. Here are 4 essentials your body needs every day. Protein repairs and builds muscle. Sources: eggs, chicken, lentils, Greek yogurt. Magnesium relaxes muscle tension and prevents cramps. Sources: almonds, spinach, pumpkin seeds. Vitamin D, critical for bone health and muscle strength. Get 15 mins of sun or take supplements. B vitamins, especially B12, needed for nerve function. Sources: eggs, fish, fortified cereals. Missing these causes weakness, numbness, and fatigue in the legs. 5. Don't skip hydration. It's more important than you think. Did you know even slight dehydration can cause muscle cramps, fatigue, and dizziness? Water helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. Seniors often drink less due to reduced thirst signals. But you still need 6 to 8 cups a day. Morning tip: start your day with a glass of water, plus a pinch of salt, plus a few drops of lemon. This kickstarts hydration and improves circulation. 6. Improve blood circulation to your legs naturally. Poor circulation leads to cold, heavy, numb, or swollen legs. Try this easy daily habit. Lie down on your bed or floor. Raise your legs against the wall or on pillows. Stay like this for 10 to 15 minutes. It's called leg elevation, and it helps blood flow back to your heart, reducing pressure in leg veins and refreshing tired muscles. 7. Herbal oil massage for faster relief. Massaging your legs doesn't just feel good. It's therapeutic. A warm oil massage increases blood flow and releases tension. Use mustard oil, warming, stimulating. Olive oil, anti-inflammatory. Warm slightly, apply to your legs, and massage upward for 10 minutes before bed. You'll sleep better, and your muscles will thank you in the morning. 8. Stimulate nerve health with these foods. If your legs feel weak and numb, nerves may be involved. Support nerve repair with walnuts and chia seeds contain omega-3s. B-complex-rich foods, beans, whole grains, eggs, dark chocolate, rich in antioxidants, improves blood flow. Together, these help restore proper leg sensation and power. 9. How to track progress and stay motivated. Every improvement counts, even small ones. Create a log. Day 1. Time how long you can stand. Day 3. Count how many sit-stands you can do. Day 7. Walk a few more steps. Small wins lead to major changes. Celebrate everyone. 10. Bonus tip. Get outside and move. Walking outdoors boosts your mood, provides natural vitamin D, and gently works your entire lower body. Start with 5 minutes a day. Use a walker if needed. Nature and movement together are powerful medicine. Leg weakness doesn't have to define your life. With the right steps, from drinking turmeric milk and doing chair exercises, to eating the right foods and staying hydrated, you can rebuild your leg strength naturally and confidently. So start today. This isn't just about walking. It's about reclaiming your independence, your freedom, and your joy. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more health tips that actually work. Share this with someone who needs stronger legs and a little bit of hope. May your steps be steady and your spirit strong.